The first question is, what's your full name?
My full name is Manmeet Simran.
How may I address you?
You may address me as my first name, Manmeet.
Where are you from?
I am from village called Basidaulat Khan, which is situated in the Hoshiarpur, and Hoshiarpur is district of Punjab.
Do you work or are you a student?
Well, now I am a student. I recently completed my graduation in BSc Non-Medical, and now I am preparing for my IELTS exam.
Let's talk about watches. Do you like to wear watches?
Well, definitely I like to wear watches, and even I wear watch all the time because it helps me to be punctual in every task I do.
Okay. Why do some people like to wear expensive watches?
Well, there are many reasons that why some people like to wear expensive watches, because firstly the expensive watches enhance their personality and they want to show off to others. Apart from it, expensive watches are quite long lasting.
Okay. Let's talk about holidays. Do you like holidays?
Well, definitely I like holidays because due to the holidays, people can relax themselves by going to picnics, and which helps them to be more energetic toward their future tasks.
What kind of places do people of your country like to visit during the holidays?
Well, it totally depend on the person to person. Like if I talk about the youngsters, they prefer to go to cinemas to watch movies to relax themselves, and many of them also go to picnics with their family members so they can relax themselves.
Okay. Let's talk about advertisements. Are there many advertisements in your country?
Well, definitely advertisements are very much in my country, even on the cinemas, in the phones, and even in the railway stations. There are advertisements which give us information about every material in material.
Okay. Do you like advertisements?
Well, definitely I like advertisement because they give us all relevant information about the some particular product. We can choose any product according to our budget. So definitely I like advertisements very much.
Are there any kind of advertisements that you dislike?
Well, some advertisement which are related to some illegal activities such as tobacco, as well as which promote the youngsters into illegal things. So these type of advertisement I don't like.
Okay. Let's talk about sunny days. Do you like sunny days?
Well, definitely I like sunny days, especially in the winters, because sunny days helps us to calm ourselves. Even we get vitamin D. So definitely I like sunny days.
Okay, some of the part 3 questions. Do you like the fast pace of the modern life?
Well, definitely I like fast pace of the modern life because every individual get anything in the time. Even they are making their future brighter in just a few years of their life. So by this employment as well as the development of the country increases. So definitely I can say that I like fast pace of life.
What relaxation techniques do people usually use these days?
Well, there are different type of relaxation activities. People like to go to cinemas to relax their mind. Even families go to picnics so that they can spend time with their families as well as their children. Apart from it, some people like to go to libraries such as old people so that they can relax themselves.
Let's talk about decisions. Do you think that parents should help their children in making important decisions?
Well, definitely, parents are first mentors of our life. And if I talk about the youngsters who are just below the 20, parents should help them to take every decision of their life because they are not enough mature. But if the child is above 20 years old, then I think he or she is capable of taking their own decisions.
Okay. What decisions what important decisions youngsters have to make in their life?
Well, there are numerous kind of important decisions because life is changing at fast phase. Firstly, they should take their studies seriously, and they should always make future plans according to their studies. Within the meantime, apart from it, their future, what they will do in the future, and these are the important decisions that a youngster should take seriously.
Okay. Do you think that it's important to take advice from other people while making important decisions?
Well, I can say that yes, it can be important to take advice from other people, because many times whenever we take any decision, particular decision, we can get fumble, and even many times we are unable to get a correct result. But after discussing with others, we can get another ideas, because every person have their own ideas. So I can say that definitely we should talk with others while taking decision for important tasks.
Okay. Do you think that you use internet too much?
Well, definitely, I can say that I am using internet too much, because internet is very important for us while talking to another person, even on the WhatsApp, Instagram, and while searching something on the Google, on the web. I use almost Instagram. I use almost internet, so I can say that yes, I use too much internet.
Okay. What are some of the disadvantages of internet?
Well, although there are many advantages of internet, but there are quite some disadvantages, because internet is quite many people like to use internet, due to which many youngsters get addicted to it, which distract due to which they distract from their studies as well as their important things. And by using too much internet, they do not take participate in the physical activities.
Do you think that history is important?
Well, definitely, I can say that history is very important, because history connect us with our roots, as well as we come to know about our traditions, rituals from the history, and even we become more traditional, even cultural, even we respect others due to the knowledge of history. So I can say that
Okay.
definitely.
The last question is, do you think that history will be an important subject in the future?
Well, well due to the advancement of technology, I can say that definitely history will be an important subject in the future, but it will never vanish, because history is very important up to some extent. But in the future, there will be less important history will be less important. There will be more demanding subjects such as science and mathematics.
Okay. Thank you.